Hey there, how much of pronouns do you know? Can we answer a few questions on the common errors made in the use of pronouns? In this video, I have prepared about 10 sentences on the common errors on the use of pronouns for us to look into and to learn from. These sentences are in form of questions, and we will be giving answers to each question while I explain the reason why these answers are so. So, if you are really willing to better your conversations and the use of pronouns, I want you to stay glued to this video till the very end. Welcome back. Having you back here means you really are ready for this, and I will not keep you waiting too much. So let's begin with the first question. But before then, remember you have 5 seconds to think of the correct answer. So after which we will go straight to the analysis. So let us go straight to the first question. The first question reads, to know one's fault, one has to examine dash critically. A. Itself. B. Himself or herself. C. Oneself. And D. Oneself's. So, what is your answer in?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Were you able to pick your option? Let me answer the question now and tell you why it is correct. The correct answer to that question is oneself. Why is it oneself? Alright? Oneself is a reflexive pronoun because it shows that the action in the sentence has its effect on the person or thing that does the action. So it has its effect on the person or thing that does the action. So in the sentence, one is the person doing something here. That is why our answer is oneself. Do you get that? If not, please note the correct answer and let's go to the second question. So the second question says, to do something dash is often easier than getting someone else to do it. Options we have oneself, on your own, oneself, and by your own. So what is your answer in
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Now let me answer the question now and tell you why it is correct. The correct answer is oneself. This question is still referring to reflexive pronoun. I am sure many would have picked on your own in this sentence. Sorry to tell you that it is wrong. It is not on your own. The use of someone in the sentence has made oneself the correct answer for the question. So, was oneself what you picked to? Clap yourself. If not, please note the answer and let us go to the next question. The third question on my list goes thus. It's a conversation between two people here. They have, shall we help you with the ironing? Then the response, no dash. No dash. Now look at the options. A. We can help ourselves. B. I can help myself. C. I can help you. And D. I can help my own self. So, what answer will you pick in
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Now, Let me answer the question and tell you why it is correct. The correct answer here is I can help myself. You asked why? The reason is, though the question appears confusing with the use of the second person pronoun you, which could be used for either one person or more than one person. Options given has helped us to narrow our thinking to the singular form of you. I said it, you can be used for one person and it can be used for more than one person. So the options, out of the 4 options, 3 of them suggest that we can narrow our answers down to a singular form of the you. So as it is, it means that the conversation is between a plural first person pronoun we and a singular second person pronoun you. Hence, the receiver of the action becomes the first person when responding to the question asked by. Do you understand? If yes, kudos to you. If no, please notify me in the comment section. I will explain it to you again and give you more examples that will make you understand it better. Now, let's see the next question. Take your share and give them dash. You have options like theirs, their, theirs, and theirs. Now, what is your answer?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
You picked your answer. Let's see which is correct. The correct answer is theirs. Why is it theirs? This sentence uses the word share, which points to the fact that there is something belonging to someone or someone's possession is in the sentence. Hence, a possessive pronoun is the best to think of. And to the options given, as confusing as look, they have their own meanings. And the first option is there, as in H-E-I-R. It is a possessive pronoun, yes, but it can only appear without the S in the subject position. So that is why it is wrong. Then the other word in the second option is there. There is an adverb of place. It is used to show the location where something is, especially when it is far from the person speaking. Example, we have something like put your bags there. So it is far. Then the other word is there is, because there's, because of the apostrophe we don't pronounce the is, but it is the same thing as there is. So the correct answer is theirs. So it is the correct because it usually appears at the object position. So I think you get it right. Let's go to the next question. I have seen mine. Have you seen dash? I have seen mine. Have you seen dash? Then you have your own, yours, yours, and yours. Confusing, right? Now let me see what you pick. In
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's do justice to the sentence. The correct answer is yours. Like Y-O-U-R-S. No apostrophe. Why? It is evident in the first sentence that there is the use of possessive pronoun mine. So subsequent pronoun should indicate a possessive pronoun too. So that is why our answer is yours, the one with S and without apostrophe. So please note this, that both Y-O-U-R apostrophe S and Y-O-U-R-S apostrophe are not correct words to use. in a sentence like this. So, did you get that? Great. Let's go to the next question. Next sentences will be from personal pronouns. Are you ready for that? If so, let's go straight to the sentences. Now, the next sentence reads, Mr. Kelvin wants Dash to go fishing tonight. Mr. Kelvin wants Dash to go fishing tonight. The options: he and me, him and me, he and I, and him and I. Can you guess the answers in 5 seconds?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
What answer did you pick? Okay, then let's analyze the sentence to see if you are correct. The correct phrase to complete that sentence is him and me. Are you surprised? Was that not what you picked? Now, let me tell you why it is him and me. By analysis, Mr. Kelvin is the subject of the sentence. Then, wants is the verb. Hence, the word that comes after the verb, the word either a noun or a pronoun that comes after the verb should always be in the object form. Remember your elements of a sentence where you have subject, verb, object. So that is why him, the object form of he, and me, the object form of I, is used. Do you understand? Great. Let's get in. The question says, let this matter be known between Dash. Let this matter be known between Dash. Now, you have options: you and I and you and me, and me and you. These are the 4 options. So, can you guess the answer?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So let's see the analysis of the sentence if you are correct. The correct answer to these things is you and I. Did you say why? Did you just ask why? Alright. This is because of the use of the word between. Like, it is incorrect to use the object of the pronoun with between as it is used in the sentence. So we cannot use me and you or me and whatever in after between in a sentence. So that is, it takes a subject pronoun. Do you understand? So great. Now here's another one. Dash were not allowed to attend the meeting. Dash were not allowed to attend the meeting. Options: we and our mates. Our mates and us. Our mates and us. Then we and we mates. Can you pick your answer in
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let us analyze to see if you are correct. Now the correct answer is we and our mates. Why? Is because the space that is left for in the sentence we are to fill in the gap is in the subject position. So anything that must, any option that must stay there, any word that must stay there or phrase that must stay there should be in the subject position. That is why we use we and our mates. And why is it we are? Why can't we use our mates and us? It's because our mate should not start a sentence like this. It is not a positive sentence. It is a negative sentence. That is why our mates and us cannot start. That is why we use we and our mates. So I think you understand that. Then listen to this next question. Here is Grace. Dash is as beautiful as Dash. Here is Grace. Dash is as beautiful as dash. We have options are, me, me, is me, and ei. So what will you pick as your answer in 5 seconds?
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Now let's do the analysis. Alright, the correct answer is E and I. Why? Following the rule of the standard English, E and I are the best words for the blank space. Like, let's break it. Let's try breaking the sentence down so that you can understand it better. Now, we can say that in the sentence, what the speaker is trying to say is that Grace is beautiful and I am also beautiful. So hence, Grace, which is she, is as beautiful as I am beautiful. So it shouldn't be Grace is as beautiful as me is beautiful. You see, it is wrong there. Are you learning something? Really? No, thank you. Now, before I share the last question that is on my list, like I promised I was going to share it about 10. So this is the 10th question. So before I share this last question or sentence that is on my list for now, if you are watching this video right now but you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Remember to turn on the notification bell. This will allow you to get notified whenever I upload a new video. But also, important message that I left that I've dropped in the description below. So do well to check the description to see the message that I've dropped there for you. Now, to the last question. I have known Henry for some years now. My sister is a friend of Dash. Options. We have himself, him, is, and is. Now, what will you pick as your answer? In
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's analyze. The correct answer is is, H-I-S. Why is it is? The question is from possessive pronouns that we have done earlier. And since the first clause is talking about a man called Henry. Henry is a male gender, so we use E to replace Henry. Then the object form of the pronoun is used at the possessive position, is. M-E, E and is. So E is the subject, then is, then no. So that will be all for now. Thanks so much for choosing to learn from me. I would like you to do the same to the other videos that I have posted and will still post. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this particular video and every other video you watch on my channel, and don't forget to share with friends. So till the next time, I will come again with another topic on how you can better your conversation. Keep speaking the correct English. Bye for now.